This Bostitch is well suited for use with slim or delicate materials that might be split by an 18-gauge nail or brat. With this tool instead of 23-gauge pin nails, you can save time and money by preventing damage to work surfaces, an ideal choice for woodworking applications. This provides effective fastening for glue sets that are tough or impossible to clamp, and it will help you avoid the witness marks or holes that can be left by other drivers' heads, letting you create clean finished products. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Ergonomic design for comfort and convenience. The Bostitch offers a full range of design features dedicated to smooth, safe, and intuitive use. It features a low-profile nosepiece that tapers down to the contact point, which offers a clear line of sight for perfect placement, and over-molded grip ensures slip-free handling. And it is balanced to sit comfortably in your hand during extended use. And, for added comfort, while you work, the nailer's rear exhaust directs air away from your face. The pin nailer also features a reversible belt hook for convenience on the job. Number 2. Its compact body is easy to maneuver, which is of particular importance when doing intricate work like crafting custom cabinetry or picture frames. And, thanks to a durable, lightweight aluminum housing, it weighs just 2.5 pounds. Number 3. Reliable. Pneumatic performance. This lightweight, durable tool operates between 70 and 120 psi and includes a 1/4 inches NPT fitting for easy coupling with your air hose and compressor. Number 4. 1/2 inch to 1 3/16 inches 23-gauge pin nailer. Low-profile nosepiece tapers for clear sight. Number 5. Adjustable high, lower power switch for depth control and longer life. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.